Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Communities in Ngene Kingdom of Ahoda West local government area of Rivers State are now submerged in flood. At a peaceful protest to the Mbiama axis of the East-West Road, the flood victims called on the federal government and multinational oil companies to dredge the Orashi River and carry out shoreline protection works to check the menace of coastal flood in the area. Correspondent Lovely Ofigo has details.
Go to Jankarama, come to Mbiama, go to Akioniso, go to Akinema, go to Okaki, go to the other place of Ngene. And then also look at the other region of Orashi. We feed Rivers State, we feed Nigeria. Why are we not given this right? Why are we neglected?
Tales of woe from a native of Mbiama, where houses have been submerged by rising flood waters. It paints a picture of a community where canoes are now the means of mobility in the streets, a scenario common in other communities close to the Orashi River. Unhappy with the state of affairs in Orashi Kingdom, the youths embark on a peaceful protest to the Mbiama axis of the East-West Road.
I will appeal that the federal government, the state government should look into the aspect of arranging a makeshift camp in each of these zones in Ngene. Special intervention fund for the women should be looked into.
The youths recollect promises made by the government at the peak of the 2018 flood.
The Vice President issued out strong words that they will dredge the Orashi River. The Orashi River as well links the River Niger. We have about 60-something oil wells domiciled in Ahoda West. If the federal government did not cushion the effect of this flood to the people of Ahoda West, by the time this flood is subsided, we are going to block this very road, leading to so many oil wells, gas and oil deposits all over the region. But we are the least developed. We suffer a lot. If nothing is done after the flood, we will block Shell and Ajib, and they must come to the rescue of Ngene people.
For now, the greatest worry of internally displaced communities within the Orashi River is how to cope with an imminent food crisis when the flood finally abates later in the year.
Inside the Niger Delta,